So the Centre for Academic Achievement is where you can get more help on certain concepts and topics that you didn't understand in class, or if you just need some general advice as well. So I do computer science, and maths is a very large part of computer science, and I didn't have the best maths education growing up, and my advisor in the centre really supports me in growing, and she makes me feel more confident in maths so that I can take on harder challenges and it doesn't feel so scary anymore.
I was facing challenge in my critical thinking while I'm just writing my essays. The advisor provided me how to develop concrete examples in order to satisfy the readers and not to write in a superficial way. So I highly recommend every student to learn more and to learn in an effective way. It's a good experience, actually.
I would 100% recommend the centre to other people. I feel that I've benefited a lot because when I'm taking on new projects and challenges within my course, I'm less daunted by them because I know that my advisor in the centre will always be able to offer me guidance or support. I feel okay taking on anything, basically.